Right, I actually have one last area that I haven't decluttered in my dining room area, and that's these drawers. So I thought I'd quickly go through them on camera. So the first thing is my camera battery charger, so that's a really good place for me to keep it, so I will leave it in there. Then I've got some mozzie coils. I actually don't use these, so I will donate them. I'm sure someone will find them useful. These are keys. I have a spot for keys, so I will put those there to put away at the end. Back in here. Then this is all batteries, so I will leave those in there. This is headphones for Skype. They're extremely uncomfortable for me. Maybe somebody else will find them a bit more comfortable. I will donate them. This is an electronic game of Sudoku. Now, I use the paper book form, so I will donate that to somebody. Now, this is the cord for my camera case, so I will put that with the charger. Does that make sense, to keep like-minded things together? This is the charger for the headlights on my bicycle. It is a great idea to keep it here because I plug them in nearby. I plug all my chargers in nearby, which is why these are here. This is my Bluetooth for my mobile phone, and this is also for my mobile phone, so I will leave those in there. This is a travel pillow. I've got a spot for travel things, so I will put that away in a minute. And this is a candle. I've also got a spot for candles. I don't know how that ended up in there, but I will put that away later. This is where I put my glasses. They used to be in the kitchen, so they're in here. And I worked out that this is to tighten the screws on the side of the glasses, so good idea to keep them together. That will stay in there. These are 3D glasses for the cinema, close to the front door. Good idea to keep them in there. And we've got CDs, I know that, in the top two, and I've already been through those. So that's it. All decluttered. Fantastic. Really have done the dining room this time.